Welcome again. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Match number 20 of the Super Sunday we've got here. Played between KCC Royals versus Lightning Hawks. Interesting figures and the compositions and back the two teams got. Lightning Hawks on my left. The captain Zahid Khan. On my right, we've got Khaja of KCC Royals. Familiar face to you of Khaja. The matches they've played, 3 matches of Lightning Hawks, demise for them, and 1 match of KCC Royals, an unfortunate loss for them as well. We'll go straight to the toss without wasting our time. Captain Khaja's got the coin and he'll spin.
Vice Captain Sayyid Farhan will make it.
The call will be made by the vice captain. The vice captain will step in the shoes of captain to give a call by Farhan.
Heads.
Heads is the call. And it is heads. They won the toss. Lightning Hawks have won the toss. They're struck by lightning. They're going to bat first. And we'll go straight to the captain.
Thank you so much. It was a very much important toss for us. I have lost so many tosses till now, and it is a good news for us. We'll give our best. We'll try to give our best, and we'll enjoy our game. This is our 4th game. Just we want to enjoy the tournament, and we look forward what performance will come out.
I mean, like, is Farhan your lucky charm because you sent him straight and he's won the toss for you?
No, it's not like that, but many times it happens. Many times when I have used many tosses, like 4 tosses, 3 tosses, I will shuffle for my teammates like Farhan or Rakesh, someone else. At that time, surely we will win the toss, and it happens today also. Same.
What's going to be a strategy for match number 4? And it will be soon, the match number 5 will be the last to end a league game.
Yeah, the strategy is not that much, but just we want to enjoy the game. The boys should give their best. Last match we have dropped many catches. Due to that, the against team has scored huge score on the board. And I think that was the toppest score of this tournament also. 267 somewhat. So we'll give our best. No strategy, just we want to enjoy the game and we'll give our best.
Last question before you go to your troop and discuss the strategy. Any changes in your team?
We are having some changes, like last match we were having 2 players, Navija and Nusrat. Now they are not available. We are playing with the same team which we have played first 3 matches.
Sure, thank you. Thank you for your time. I'll allow you to go to you. And the captain of KCC Royals, Khaja here, smiling man, but the toss not in your favor.
Yeah, I also planned to first fail. So anyhow, toss is good for us. So I also starting plan to first bowl well. So this is a strategy where we have to give minimum target up to 100 or 150 plus to opponents. So we'll give the best of our bowling.
And it's a win-win situation for you anyways that you wanted to field first. Any changes to your team?
Yeah, that 3 or 4 changes. Today Sai, Vamshi and both are playing, and both are the good all-rounders. We have expected some good game today with both of them.
KCC Royals is coming after a long break after playing the first match. So is it going to impact them in some way?
Anyhow, we will play regularly weekends, so we don't have a much impact. We will give our best.
So thank you. This is the news from Centre by the captain Zahid Khan, who's won the toss of Lightning Hawks and elected to bat first. Match number 20 coming your way. Stay tuned. Will be a quick single. Is it? And it will be about. Played well. He's played it inside out. Will get the boundary. There's a good-looking cricket shot. This is the role we talk about, the fieldsmanship. Cuts it.
Cuts it well enough to pierce the gap. Take it. Coming down again and he's castled him. He's got his. Vamshi to continue with the spell. Found the flying edge. It'll run down to third man. Will be a boundary. He's glided it well. Loose delivery. It deserved the treatment. Takes on. Straight in the wing. Is the fielder getting in? He got under the ball, but his. After picking wicket, Naushad's again back in the attack. Takes him on again. Can the fielder get? He can only get to the fence to get the ball back. Oh. Moves across with his 50. Is he opening the gates for boundaries? आधा गेट है. He's taking it on with a wide win and is gone. Puts it. It's kite high. Has he put it in the gap? And umpire gives it for each flux. And he's castled him finally. They had wicket. Takes on, appeal for out, and umpire there, he is giving him out. And flicked off his pads, very easy picking for him. The ball will race away, ends up giving an excess run. And he's cleaned him up. Claps. And has found the gap really well. Full toss. He's booked it. He's booked it out of the park. First maximum. It sounded good. Will it run to the boundary? Fielder chasing hard. And but He's played it well. Fielder coming in. Can he settle down? Yes, he's settled down wonderfully. He's down the track with his dancing shoes on. Rakesh again. Second catch. With second catch. And is back. Was hit like a bullet. And the captain singing along. He's moved across. Will the fielder be able to? For the evening match, we've got two teams present on ground. We request the captain of Phantom Boys and captain of Kevin 11 to get their presence on. Was a half tracker. Rakesh coming under the ball. He has to run across. And it'll be a boundary. He was two ahead. Whack. And he's dropped it. It's dropped for a six. Is he going to be the villain? Where is the captain? And he's right and get hold of the nerves. And he's played it. Where has he played it? Where? Where? And to ball little slow. Where is it? Where is it? He's running in and falls a little short. He's tried hard. Will it reach the boundary?
Pleasant afternoon, and what a thrilling and nail-biting match we witnessed of One Champion Season 9, match number 20, played between KCC Royals versus Lightning Hawks. One team has to win and the other team has to lose. It's the rule, but two winners cannot be alongside. So let's go have a quick recap of what has happened, where Lightning Toss won the toss and elected to bat first, scoring 150 runs, giving a target of 151, where the captain, who anchored the innings for the team after scoring 76 runs, and the bowler, who was in form for KCC Royals, bowling 4 overs, taking 2 wickets, conceding 24 runs, and where KCC Royals got the edge and were better with the wood. Taking the win by 1 wicket. You heard it correct. It was a nail-biting match where they took the wood by 1 wicket. Let's go straight to the captain, and we have in the frame captain of KCC Royals, the secretary of One Champion Mahendra Reddy, and man of the match. Let's go straight to Zahid Khan. Unfortunate, but what a nail-biting match you've delivered to the viewers and to the people who are in the ground.
Yeah, it was a great match today. Both teams has played wonderful cricket today, and at the end, as you told, one team has to win the game, and it goes to KCC Royals. They have played a good cricket, as well as we also played a good cricket. It has came in the last over, but as I told in last match, catches win matches. In the same situation in last over, also last second over also we have dropped 1 catch that gone for the 6, and that match went in the favor of against team KCC Royals. Well played by last who has batted. Great batting by them. Congratulations to them. And our boys also did very well, but hard luck for us again. We'll try our best in upcoming matches also. Thank you.
And as this is the closure of the league's game, what I'm talking about is the league game. So anything from these 5 matches you've taken the learning and would like to change, what it would be?
Yeah, I have seen, as I have told that we have reopened our team again. But when we are having our old team at that time, we were also having a good records. But this is a new experience. We are having new boys here, and we are starting a new journey again in 2021. We'll work hard and we'll get back with a good cricket in future, in coming matches.
And before I wrap it up from you, any notes on the tournament, how the management's been to you, and how has it been so far?
Yeah, it is very good. The One Champion tournament, the name is enough. We have came here second time. We have participated second time in One Champion, and great support by Mahendra Bhai also. And the commentary, especially the commentary, it is unique. And I have seen the first time commentary I have seen from your side. The commentary, it comes from your inside, and all players will be active by your commentary. Thank you so much for supporting us also by your commentary.
I'm pleased and appreciations to the management. Not waiting, I'll keep you standing here because we have the captain. If you can move that side to the secretary of One Champion Mahendra Reddy, and I have KCC Royals captain Khazar here smiling. Definitely he should be smiling.
Yeah, after a long time we won the match against the Lightning Hawks. I don't have any chances, any hopes, but Hari and Satya done well bat, and they have given the good strike against Lightning Hawks bowlers. They bowl well. They, as captain said, catches in matches. They have taken the good catches for good wickets for KCC Royals, but finally they have leave the catches which won the match.
Any betterments, because this is the second game what you've played? Any betterments you want to do for your upcoming matches?
Yeah, upcoming matches we'll focus more on fielding, because we are strong in batting side, but we need to focus on fielding side more.
And not keeping him waiting, I'll call the man who stole the show away. And you heard it correct, his name is Naushad. He's man of the match who's picked 2 wickets after giving 26 runs in 4 overs and 15 runs in just 11 balls. Congratulations on being man of the match firstly. I guess this is the first man of the match you're receiving in the season. Congratulations on that. Anything?
I think everyone played very well. Both teams played very well. Congratulations on our team. Little bit shy.
That's okay. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ डालते टाइम पे आपको कुछ प्रेशर था एज ए बॉलर एंड एज अ ऑलराउंडर, हाँ, कैसा आप गेम को समझते या कैसा आप गेम को सीखते आगे से?
कोई प्रेशर नहीं था, जस्ट खेलना हमारा जस्ट खेलना था. माइंड में जस्ट आई कैन हिट.
Thank you. That's the man of the match. He's shy, but he's not shy for his performance. Can the captain, with along in the frame, Mahendra Reddy here, well present. You can also join with the captain and man of the match. And before we close this post-match presentation ceremony, we shall not forget, because it starts with the sponsors, and I'd like to end it with the sponsor's name. We are very thankful for the sponsorship of Hell Rockers, R11, MSR Tipper Services, Foursquare Sports Shop. Thank you for your sponsorship.